Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the next video on my platform. My name is Saurabh Bharti, Microsoft Dynamics 365 professional. In today's video, we are going to talk about how do you use the actions in Microsoft Copilot Studio. And without further ado, let's start today's topic. So here is a quick disclaimer from me for this particular video. We'll directly talk about, jump to a demo and understand what actions are and how you can use the actions in Copilot section in the existing topic. And in the last video, we talked about how do you get the weather information calling the Power Automate flow. But we will see that how you can get the same weather information by adding an action in the Copilot Studio and in the existing topic. So let's jump back to our demo environment and look how we can use this. So this is my demo environment, and if I just go back first thing again, I'm using the Microsoft Learn to use or learn all these things. So here is the Learn portal where it defines that how you can call an action, add an action to your Copilot Studio. There are different types of actions which are available and how you can configure them and then use it and then test it in your Copilot Studio. So I've used a similar example, what they are using in the Learn portal, the MSN Weather. So what I have done, I have gone to my agent, the context of health assistance, and what I did, I went to the action here, and then I created an action here, and I selected the get forecast for today, the action which we called through the Power Automate. I have used directly by calling it here. So now I use this and then I have defined this one. So if I open this, we have the option that what is the action name. If you want to change it, you can change it. You can define your own display name. The authentication, you can define the Copilot author authentication or the user different authentication methods which you want. Then the status and it is enabled here. So all these things, then you can use the input, what input you want to take it. So let's say I want to use the location as an input to provide the weather information. And then how I'm going to, fill the value here. And then I have set it up as the set as a value manually. And then I have selected this I here, period value. Then the output, that how the output is going to be provided. It is based on it has a different option of the output based on the action which we are selecting from the Copilot Studio. So that's what I have done. It is very easy, nothing like it's not a time taking activity. It is just a couple of minutes job I have done here, and then I can publish and save my agent, and then I can simply ask, let's say I say today's weather, right? So you can also look at like if you would have like it is giving me the activity map how it is working. So it is now if you see it is asking for the input like what location I'm looking for to provide the output. So it is, let's say if I say London again, so I'm putting this and then it is going to provide me the weather information like daytime, heavy rain expected 49 degree. Now if you recall this, just to I'm recording on the same day this video, so our Power Automate also returned the same value when we called this get emission weather from the Power Automate action. So now let's say this has provided, but let's say I have made a mistake. I want to get for the another location. So I can say no, wait, I want information. I want, let's say, the weather information for Delhi. Please provide output in bullet format. Let's say if I want to give some generic command, so I can give it. Provides me. So if you see here, it has passed this information in the location, changed it, updated from London to the Delhi. And now it is providing me like daytime, what's this temperature, the wind and all those things. So it is just giving me all the information what it can call from this particular action. So this is how you can call an action to your agent, and it is very easy and it didn't take a lot of time. And now you have different options available. I have used the get forecast, but you can, let's say, using something else, you can, like if you see here, you have the adding a row, getting a row from Excel or something, or sending an email notification and all those things, you can just use it here. There is a library which is which you can build it and which you can have it. You can have the different flow connectors and all those things available as an action for you to build in your the Copilot Studio agent. So that's it for this particular video. Hope this helped you to understand how you can add an action to your Copilot agent and use it further. That's it for this particular video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.